And this is Kyle with ExpertVillage, and I'm going to be talking about some tips for Sony Acid Pro. And this is very important, is when you get down to your actual mixing stage, this is where you get to the nitty-gritty. This is what makes the difference between a really professional sounding and a, when you hear something and you're just like, oh, it's kind of cheesy. One of the other things here is just your simple track. This is a multi-purpose slider, but for most part, it's used here as your volume for your track. So if this, let's say for instance, this part, let's do a solo on it. Sounds a little low there, so we want to bring this up as a whole. Now there's a few other things that I haven't gotten into that I'm simply not going to touch on. I want you to just know what it is. You're able to go in and quantize the loops to have the feel of a certain track. So let's, for instance, they have jazz. Jazz has a certain feel to it, or reggae, rock, hip hop. Now I suggest you try this out. I don't have time. Like I say, it would take a long time to really go into learning the grooves, but for most part I leave it on quantize to straight. Now over here, if you do start doing that, you've got your groove erase tool and of course your get media file.